another adventure. We are here for the Malicious Monster Truck Tour. Yeah, let's go! Are you excited? What are we gonna go do? Sea Monster Trucks. All right, we can get up close and personal. Look at that one. Whoa! Get next to it, I'll take your picture. Where's the dog?
Oh, that's so cool. Get the doggy.
They're riding in it. Cool! Oh my god, they're riding in the back. That's so fun. Here it comes. Woo! Just like that. That's how they drive. Perfect impression. Okay, that is so fun because when else are you gonna have a chance to ride inside of a monster? I feel like this is the most excitement they're gonna feel today is throwing rocks at this crappy old car. That's good core memory right there.
What if that was your high school ride?
Tell how big this is? Stand next to the tire. Whoa! So cool. Riviera called this one a cutie pie. This is the cutie pie monster truck. I think they like the teeth.
Monster truck.
Wow. Let me see. Show me your truck, baby. Nice.
Mommy, what?
Yellow and pink.
Mommy, what?
You guys ready? trip. It has teeth.
It's gonna get you.
Ooh, it has spooky eyes. Yeah. Oh yeah. That was super fun. We had a blast at the Monster Truck Show. Let's go! Let's go! I think we would definitely come back to this. I loved how high they jumped and how loud they were. We had a blast. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!